Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We can do nothing today outside because it's a lot of rain. It's raining outside. So we cannot clean. I want to clean the garden in front, but just now I cannot because a lot of rain. So what we need to do now is to play with my doggy. um, we need to do now. We play with my doggy. Alright, Coco. My God. This little boy, my boy of mommy, always want playing with mommy. Oh, guys, they are scared about thunder. See, they go to me, the three of them. But I have one dog in the garden. The is bigger than them, but they stay only in the garden. Sometimes I worry when they have a thunder because he make noise in the door. Yeah, because he cannot enter inside the house. You see the three of them? Hello! Say hello to everybody! Say hello, Charlotte and Blackie! Charlotte and Polly! Ang baby namin, si Mama Charlotte na pretty! Mama Charlotte is pretty woman! Hello! Hello! Say hello! Oh, the little boy always make noise. She is looking in the cat because they have cat outside. And she is listening. And the little boy, you know what he is doing? He always fighting his papa. Oh my God, this Collie. Si Charlotte. She's looking in the garden because she heard the noise of the cat. Who's there, baby? Who's there outside? Huh? Who's there outside? Who's there outside? Hello, guys. We are in bed because it's raining outside. I stay with my doggies. Blackie, what's that, baby? Blackie, what's that? The little boys, they go out. Blackie, no, no, baby. Blackie. Every time in bed, he always stay in this area. They can enter only in bed when I'm here, but when I'm not in the bed, they go out too. In outside. If I go out in the outside, they go out too. They stay only in bed when I'm in bed. See. It is his side. It's his place where he sleep. You see, guys, the little one always finding something there. I don't know what it. He is the one always follow to me. Everywhere I go, he always follow. This boy. Yeah. You see guys, this little small dog. You see? What's that, Kuli? Alright. You sleep na. Sleep now. Papa Blackie already sleep, oh. Sleep na. Oh my God, this little boy, he always want to play with me. Every time he... Ow! His Mama Charlotte already to sleep. Mrs. Papa Blackie also sleep. They are with us now, the dogs, because it's raining outside today. Okay guys, thank you for watching.
Depuis, Internet a été coupé, impossible de se connecter à la 4G. Seule une poignée de cybercafés continue à pouvoir fournir quelques minutes de connexion. Personne ne sait comment communiquer. Il y a beaucoup de gens qui ont disparu. On ne sait pas où ils sont. C'est pour ça que l'armée a coupé.
Guys, the rain already stopped. We need to continue to clean in the garden. They have someone we want to hug. He want I hug him. He want hug. Yeah, he is my dog in the garden. Yeah, I need to work little in the garden in front. Yeah, this one. Because the rain stop, not really stop, they have a little rainfall, but it's okay. We need to hello guys, this part I try to clean today, this one. Yeah, it's okay to clean in the garden today because it's not really hot, but it's little rain, but not too much, little, so it's good to clean in the garden, but it's still hot. You see me, I'm still wet. Still but it's better for me, so I can lose some calories when I'm sweating. Okay guys, I continue to clean it. Yeah, this one. Okay guys, I finished already to clean this part. See this one. And this one. So the next I need to clean is the other side. This one. It's more bigger. It's more bigger and more grass. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe guys. Thank